Alright you guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the men's Piledriver riding jacket from Harley Davidson. So the men's Piledriver riding jacket from Harley Davidson retails at $180, and this jacket is a medium on me and it does fit me pretty good. I am around 5'9", so if you are within the 5'9" to 5'11" range, I do believe that this medium-sized jacket will fit you good. However, if you are a little taller or wider, you do have large, extra large, and up to 3XL. So if you are interested in this jacket, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to pick up this jacket. Harley Davidson gives you a wide range of sizes. You can see here one of my favorite designs from this jacket is the rear. You do have the Harley Davidson motorcycles right on your back, and right in behind your back you do have two big vents right here. So if you are riding on a nice warm day, this jacket does offer a lot of ventilation along with many pockets. So if you're ever carrying a wallet, an ID, some cash, this jacket definitely will take care of you. It is made from a mesh interior, and on the outside it is a pretty sturdy mesh material. However, it does feel like a canvas slash mesh material. It is still pretty thick, so it will protect you if you ever find yourself falling off of your motorcycle or scraping on the pavement. However, it is still mesh on the outside, so it will keep you ventilated on those warm, sunny summer days. However, if you do plan on riding this in colder temperatures, just make sure to layer up or have a sweater underneath. It does have some zippers right here for your wrists, just to make sure it has a nice tight fit on you. Now here's just a quick look of what this jacket looks while riding a Harley Davidson motorcycle. This jacket does complement the motorcycle very well, along with giving it still a retro but still modern design to this jacket. So if you aren't as big a fan of leather jackets like I am, this jacket definitely will complement the more modern day rider who is still interested in Harley Davidson. Alright, so if you are interested in this Harley Davidson Piledriver riding jacket, I will leave a link down in the description where it retails for 180 bucks. I definitely would say that you can't go wrong with this jacket. It is definitely a amazing jacket. If you are in the market for a Harley Davidson jacket, I definitely would recommend this jacket.